So in the last section we have seen what is data warehouse. Now we will see the various data warehouse models. So from the perspective of data warehouse architecture, the data warehouse models are characterized as virtual warehouse, data mart, and the enterprise warehouse. Now we will see one by one. The first one is the virtual warehouse. The view over an operational data warehouse is known as the virtual warehouse. It is easy to build the virtual warehouse because building the virtual warehouse requires excess capacity on the operational database servers, and as it is necessary to have the excessive capacity because it is the view over an operational data warehouse, and that's why it is called as the virtual warehouse. The second model is data mart, which contains subset of organization wide data. So we can say that this is a subset of data which is very much valuable to specific groups of an organization. In other words, we can say that the data marts contain data that is related to the items, customers, as well as sales. And because of that, it is said that data marts are confined to various subjects. So in that, the Windows based or Linux based servers are used to implement the data marts. They are implemented on very low cost servers. The implementation data mart cycles are measured in short period of time, means short period of time in the sense in weeks rather than months or years. The life cycle of data mart may be complex, but if its planning and designing is not done in organization wide, then it is a complex in long run. Data marts are generally very smaller in size. They are customized by the department according to the need. The sources of data mart is departmentally structured data warehouse, and data marts are always very flexible. Keep in mind. The third data warehouse model is the enterprise warehouse. So an enterprise warehouse collects the information and the subjects that are spanning an entire organization. So they are responsible for providing the enterprise-wise data integration. The data is integrated from operational systems and external information providers. The information in enterprise warehouse can vary from few gigabytes to hundred of gigabytes, terabytes, in fact beyond that also. All that is related to enterprise data warehouse. So these are the three data warehouse models which are very widely used. The first one was virtual warehouse, where the view over an operational data warehouse is there. Data mart, which contains the subset of organization wide data. Enterprise warehouse, it is nothing but collection of information and the subjects of an entire organization. So these are the data warehouse models. Now the process flow in data warehouse. There are, we can see in the particular diagram, the process flow in data warehouse is given. Now there are four major processes which are involved in data warehouse: extract and load the data, clean the data, backup and archive, managing the queries, everything that comes under that. This data transformation and movement. So extract and load the data, that is the first process. Then cleaning and transforming the data, taking backup and archive the data, and managing the queries and directing them from the appropriate data sources. These are the processes in data warehouse. In this way the process flow is done. Now in the next section we will see the various functions of data warehouse tools and utilities. Thank you.